Hi, I'm Javan Taylor, and I'm the Technical Sales Support Manager for the SuperTrak product. Today's question is, what is the size and weight limitations of the SuperTrak platform? First, let's talk about the conveyor size. When I'm asked this general question, customers are usually interested in the size of the individual conveyor modules or the full size of the system configuration, or they're interested in the size of the product or carrier's fixtures that they're allowed to carry. So if we break this into two portions, we talk about the conveyor or the carriers or product fixtures separately. The track sections that make up the conveyor are comprised of 1 meter long straight track sections with a number of curved track sections that allow us to close the system into a closed loop configuration. These are comprised of 500 millimeter, 180 degree track section, an 800 millimeter diameter track section, 180 degree track section, a 90 degree track section, and these can be configured end to end like Lego blocks to close the system into a closed loop configuration. If we talk about the product carriers, the product carriers can handle up to a 10 kilogram payload and can have a maximum fixture length of 500 millimeters in length in the direction of carrier flow. We also allow an additional process torque that can be applied to the shuttle or fixture during your process. For more information about our system size or how it may relate to your process or system configuration, please contact us at questions@supertrakconveyance.com.